Welcome back to Thunder Bear 4-wheel drive, everybody. Today on Thunder Bear 4-wheel drive, we're talking about me getting the Jeep back. Woohoo! Happy, happy, joy, joy. So I got the Jeep back today, July 18th, Monday. Got it back just a little bit before 5 o'clock. So what happened to the Jeep? Everyone's like, what happened? So as I posted in the comments on the last video on the part 1, they found the main dash harness had a star connector that had failed, and so that carried a bunch of the CAN bus traffic throughout the vehicle, and that was a problem. So they replaced the harness, and here's a picture of it right now. As you can see, it's all bundled up, but it was pretty crazy, and the technician said if he never does that again ever in his life, that will be too soon. So they replaced the harness, and then when they got it back together, they ran additional checks to make sure that they had cleared all the things, and they found out that the sway bar disconnect, for whatever reason, electronically had failed. So they ordered a replacement sway bar disconnect module, which apparently ends up coming as the entire sway bar disconnect. It's the actuator, the module, the arms, the whole thing. So I have a brand new sway bar in here, and when they went to unplug it and replace it, there's apparently a wiring harness that the technician believed was not properly secured. So he doesn't know if the harness in the dash killed the sway bar disconnect or if the harness near the sway bar disconnect killed the sway bar disconnect, but they're ordering a replacement harness because it's missing a connector, not a connector, a fitting, like a Christmas tree clip that holds it in place, and so I get a new harness for that. So they've got that ordered, and he zipped it up in the meantime, and so I get to drive my Jeep again, and I'm very happy. And so here is a picture of the sway bar if you've never seen one. Ta-da! Okay, so I got my Jeep back. I've been a grumpy, miserable, unpleasant, not happy person since about the 4th of July. So I'm happy. Look, smiles and everything. Yay. So thanks for watching, and probably gonna have some other content for the 3.8 liter coming up soon. I had to buy some engine assembly lube so I can put the cam and lifters in, and the timing chain and the oil pump and all that stuff. And it took a while to get here because I'd ran out of lubric plate, and I ended up getting some red line engine assembly lube because that's pretty cool stuff. Also, my buddy Sean has a Kenworth, and he's got a it doesn't currently have a Jake brake system on it, but he's got a donor engine that's got a Jake, and we're gonna migrate from one engine to the other. So learning how to do that kind of on the fly, and I might take a few still shots of that or something, a little bit of video, depends on what he wants to do with it. So I'm working on that as a side project, kind of on top of my other garbage I got going on. I got my Jeep back, and it's summertime, and I'm seriously itching to go into trees and stuff, and you know, so that's going to happen. I'm hoping this coming up weekend I can just tell the world to pound sand and, you know, head for the higher altitudes and all that good stuff. So oh gosh, what else? I'm just happy. I mean, look, I'm in my Jeep. So I don't know, other than being really happy that I have my Jeep back, and I don't even care that there's one more little thing they got to fix. They're taking care of it. So Barry's Automotive, Ephrata, Washington, link in description. Buy stuff from them. It's a really cool place to buy a car. They have been absolutely stellar, and I don't know how many vehicles we've got from them. I don't know if we're quite to the double digits yet or not, but we've bought a lot of rigs from them over the years. So solid group of folks, and they've done me right yet again. Warranty issue, and they just totally took care of it. So thank you, Barry's, so very much. Thank you, Christian, for staying on top of things. Thank you, Cindy, for all that you do, and you guys rock. So thank you. What else? I don't know. There's probably like all sorts of things in my life that are irrelevant that I'm not going to talk about here, but I'm in a happy mood. Happy, joy, Jeep back, present, yay. So thanks for watching. Somewhere around here, there's going to be some other videos that are going to pop up. Totally go watch those. I am almost to 500 subscribers. When I hit 500 subscribers, I get the community tab in my YouTube channel, and I would love to do that because there's lots of things that I would like to write to people and just post stuff and keep you in the loop on certain things. And sometimes it's easier to write things out for me. I don't always articulate things the way I would like. So if you're watching this and you've made it this far, bless you. You're a great, kind human soul, and I love you for it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because I need that, and that gets me to having community tab. So 500 is our next goal. Please help us get there. We'd love to have more people hanging out here, being part of the community, and watching me be an idiot and go on and on and on about how happy I am to have my Jeep back. So thanks again for watching, everyone, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.